One of the best ways to make money on Amazon is to learn from other sellers' mistakes, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Marisol Lake, one of our client relations teams, 3 don't do's to maintain your success on Amazon. Okay, so here are the tips that Marisol is providing to you, and they're all great tips, okay? These are all don't do's. These are all bad practices. So, number 1, if your account is suspended or you lost a listing and you're sending in a plan of action, don't keep sending the same plan of action day after day after day. Give Amazon staff in India. Here's what some of them look like. I met dozens of them when I went to India. Let them do their job. If you write a great plan of action, if we write a great plan of action for you, you gotta give them time to read it and to respond. And nobody likes to be peppered with the same emails over and over again. Number 2, do not send repeated Digital Millennium Copyright Act counter notices to Amazon, because every time you do that, you are resetting the clock. Under the law, Amazon and the seller who made the complaint against you have a finite period of time. And every time you send in another notice, you're resetting the clock. So Marisol, great tip. Amazon sellers, do not keep sending in counter notices. Send in one, do it properly. If you don't know what a counter notice is, go to our website and search DMCA counter notice. You'll learn all about it. Tip number 3, don't do, learn from other people's mistakes. Never ever ignore a temporary restraining order that's been issued by a court against your account. Why? The account may or may not be important to you. You may have multiple accounts, so who cares about that one? Well, if you ignore the TRO, whatever company started that lawsuit is going to get a default against you, and that means you lose the lawsuit automatically. And we generally see judges award anywhere from $75,000 to $150,000 against you, all the way up to like $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. So never ignore a TRO against your account. You have to respond to that lawsuit. I handle those cases. Leslie Gillis, our managing attorney in our litigation department, handles those cases. So if you get a TRO, contact us. We'll guide you through it. And here is a bonus tip from Marisol. Don't alter your invoices. Now, I am not a Photoshop guy. I am not. I don't even know how to use it at all. But I do know that there are a lot of sellers who think they could change invoices using Photoshop that Amazon picks up on. So that is Marisol's top 3, and the extra bonus tip, don't alter your invoices. If you need to get new invoices, go back to your source and be like, hey brother, I got a problem with Amazon, I need a new invoice. And that it's better than altering it and risking Amazon identifying the changes to your invoice. You want to learn more information? AmazonSellersLawyer.com, the #1 website in the world for free information for Amazon sellers.